What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video.
Nerf this!
It's Monday evening. It's like 7 o'clock. I have to put something up because it's Monday for you guys. Just wanted to quickly touch base and say that I did vlog. I did have a kind of a video prepared for today, but I went back and reviewed it and it's just literal crap. So instead of putting out literal crap for you guys, I decided to just say that I'm not going to put out a better vlog right this second, and I'm just gonna upload this. So hopefully you enjoy it, and what I really want to talk about is to simply stop and smell the roses sometimes, because I feel like that's what I've been doing for the last week or so. Just kind of relaxing, enjoying the family, enjoying you know, time being with loved ones, and just really being present in the moment, as opposed to, you know, being there but not really being there, or being there and more focused on filming or flying the drone or being on my phone. Whatever the case is, I feel like I've been a lot more present with them, which is awesome. It's a great feeling, and I've just kind of taken this time to recharge and really enjoy myself. And I got a lot of projects going on. I'm in between a few different things right now, and it just being with, you know, family and enjoying your time with each other and being present in the moment really has been awesome, just to get my mind off of everything. So yes, work hard, yes, always be in pursuit of your goals, but at the same time, you need to take some time for yourself, some time to recharge, because you don't want to get burnt out, all right? And I know that Andy Frisella, and this is one thing I don't agree with Andy Frisella on, is that he says, forget balance, work as hard as you can. The balance will happen after the fact when you're just all play and no work. I don't necessarily agree with that, because I think once you get to his level, he's doing what what he does for work, he absolutely loves. So for him to say that, you know, he doesn't work anymore is not really the truth, because he does work, but he just loves it. And yes, there was a long time where he went off and you know, didn't take vacations and things like that, but I firmly believe you need time to rest, you need time to recharge, you need time to kind of take a step back, see where you're at, reassess, go over things, see what's working, what's not working, and just kind of chill for a minute, you know what I mean? We're on this earth one time, so you have to enjoy it. You can't always be working all the time. It's just a matter of fact. And if you are, you're gonna miss things. And I always think of like my parents working 2 or 3 jobs each, you know, missing my games, missing my practices, you know, not being able to take me to, you know, athletic events and stuff like that. Not to say that they didn't come to that stuff, because they absolutely did. Think of how much closer I could have been with them if they didn't work so much. And I know that they were working for me and my and the rest of my family, and for that I'm so grateful for. Thank you guys. But you know, I don't want to go through life missing everything because I'm working all the time, or I'm focused on something else all the time. And the only time I do take for myself is to literally sleep. So work as hard as you can for as long as you can, but make sure you get some R&R in there and enjoy quality time with loved ones. And that's where I'm gonna end it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little rant, please give it a thumbs up. I release videos every Monday to get your week going, and every Friday to get your weekend started. You don't want to miss them, so turn that post notifications bell on, and you'll be notified when my videos are out. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks so much, guys.